Yes, I flew against a stupid street lamp. As you saw at the beginning, I flew against a street lamp and managed to break an arm. After a bit of research, I found out that there was no replacement arms available. And so I decided to make my own. First, I removed everything from the arm. Then I measured everything and made a 3D model in SolidWorks. Then I ordered a piece of carbon. 3 months later, I received the package. I brought the carbon to a good friend of mine, and he milled the arm on his CNC machine. And then I put everything back together. And now I can fly again. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and consider hitting the notification bell.